Namaskar. Today, the market is full of products that promises better digestion, sugar control and weight loss. But most of them only work on the surface level and come with side effects and dependency. But in your own kitchen, there is one magical ingredient which has been used for generations and supported by modern research. I am talking about Methi seed, that is Fenugreek seed. If you take soaked Methi seeds every morning for 14 days, your body starts changing in ways you may not even expect. Today, let's understand what really happens inside your body and how to use this Methi seed correctly. First, let us come straight to the method. You take 1 teaspoon of methi seeds at night, soak them in a glass of water and leave it covered. In the morning, on an empty stomach, you chew the seeds slowly and then drink the water. If you find chewing the seeds difficult, just gulp them with the water. Do this daily for 14 days. Same time, same quantity without skipping. After consuming the methi seeds in the morning, sit quietly for some time. Don't rush to take your breakfast. This short pause allows your body to receive what you have taken. Now let's understand what begins to happen inside your body when you follow this simple routine. Within a few days, you will feel lighter after meals. That feeling of heaviness after meal reduces. This happens because methi seeds contain a soluble fiber called galactomannan, which forms a gel-like texture and supports smoother digestion. At the same time, this gel-like fiber slows down the absorption of sugar in your body. This helps in preventing sudden spike of blood sugar and keeps your energy stable throughout the day. This simple practice of taking soaked methi seeds rekindles your digestive fire gently. It does not irritate your system, it does not overload your digestion, it simply brings your body back to balance. Around day 5 or 6, you will notice your craving reduce, especially those unnecessary midday or late night cravings. Methi helps regulate how your body handles glucose. So you start eating out of need, not habit. Methi also supports your liver gently. Its antioxidant helps detoxification. So after a few days, you feel lighter, clearer, and more active. Another area where you will feel benefit is joint stiffness. Methi has natural anti-inflammatory property that gradually eases the stiffness. Ayurveda says that methi is bitter and slightly heating in nature. It balances vata and kapha dosha. So if your body shows signs like dryness, stiffness, slow metabolism, or mucus accumulation, this practice brings noticeable relief. But because it is heating, it must be used wisely. So here are a few things you must remember. If you already experience high body heat, like frequent acidity, mouth ulcers, or a burning sensation, reduce the quantity to half a teaspoon, or you wait till you feel that your body is in balance. Pregnant women should avoid regular use, and taking more will not give faster results. Your body responds to consistency, not excess. Now, to keep this practice interesting, I will give you 2 variations. First, you take your soaked methi seeds in the morning, add a pinch of jeera powder and a few drops of lemon. This improves digestion and gives a fresh taste. Second, if chewing seeds feel uncomfortable, you lightly crush the soaked seed and mix them into fresh buttermilk with a pinch of rock salt. This combination is soothing, especially in warm weather. Now, one more important point. Many people begin this practice thinking that they would have a dramatic weight loss or instant cures within 14 days. That type of a thinking itself creates restlessness. What happens is more meaningful your digestion improves, your hunger stabilizes, your energy becomes steady. These are foundational correction. Visible changes follow naturally when the foundation becomes strong. Health does not depend on complicated routine. It depends on simple habits practiced daily. Methi seeds are a support system when combined with timely eating, proper rest, and some daily movements. Their effect becomes much deeper. So, if you choose to follow this 14 days practice, do it with sincerity. Observe your body carefully. Notice the small changes in your energy and in your digestion. Stay close to natural habits, and your health will remain steady for many more years. Namaskar.